Hello, my name's Mike and I'm from the Handmade Craft House. Today when I look at this hedge which we're going to be taking down, it is massive. It is well over, I have measured it, it is well over 2 meters wide. It's thick, it's dark, it's dense. Not only that, but it is highly toxic. These leaves are full of cyanide, and when you shred them it gives off cyanide gas which you can smell as marzipan like smell. I did this with my lawnmower, shredded some before I found out, shredded some leaves, and the smell that came off, I thought, oh, that's nice, it smells like Christmas cakes. And then I started to feel quite ill. It's the cyanide gas that it's giving off. It's going, I'm getting rid of this hedge. It goes. You can see with this hedge, it just goes on and on, right the way down the edge of our border of our garden. It's massive, it's thick, it's quite oppressive. I want to replace this with a nice beech hedge. I'm going to keep it thinner, keep it more slim, but still give us a screen and something a bit more interesting. Don't just like this plasticky green look. So as you can see, I've already started taking so much of this hedge off, just trimming off the inside. Got a way to go yet. We're going to trim this right up towards the fence, taking this side off down here, giving us a lot more space, keeping that side up till I've got this done. Then we'll take that off last, and then we'll have to deal with these stumps and prepare the ground, new hedge to be planted. But it's a work in progress and it's coming. But I want to show you what moving all of this has enabled us to do. So there you can see the hedge, the edge of the hedge, the thickness. We've cleared the inside and built a log store. And that log store that we've built there is within the old perimeter of the hedge. It came right along here, and by removing this part of it, I've space for a log store to store my winter logs in, get ready for this coming winter. Really pleased. So this is it, this is my log store. I built this along with Tim, and you know, enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, enjoyed putting it together, and just really pleased. I've managed to get quite a few logs in there. I've got some more coming which would keep us going through this winter, and then at the moment I've got room for my kindling, offcuts, the wheelbarrow's in there at the moment. I'm hoping to fill this with more logs, but this whole thing is 12 foot long. So we've got 12 foot by 3 foot 6 roughly, and all of that was hedge. Really pleased. We'll get our hedge in around it, plant that up down there with some beech hedge, and then in amongst the beech hedge I can always plant some one or two other things. Some honeysuckle in, we could put some the wild clematis, just encourage a few more wild birds. Having cleared so much of this hedge, there is the odd nest in there, that old nests that have been emptied now, but not a lot considering how big that hedge was. So I'm hoping that by putting a new hedge in, opening it up a bit more, will encourage a bit more wildlife into the garden.